Hey y'all, if you are already subscribed, welcome back my darling. And if you haven't yet subscribed or you're just now stopping by, subscribe and join a part of our family because we have a huge giveaway coming very, very soon. As of right now, we are at 72 subscribers, which means that we are less than 30 subscribers from my 100 subscriber giveaway. All you have to do to enter that giveaway is be subscribed, and for extra entries, there will be a secret emoji in this video somewhere. If you comment it down below, it gives you an extra entry into my 100 subscriber giveaway. There is a secret emoji in pretty much all my videos except for I think like the first 3 or 4 videos I have on my channel. So if you comment the secret emoji on those videos, guys, those are extra entries. So you can go back and watch other videos and comment them below because we are very, very close. So you want to have as many entries as possible. So today we are in our jammies. It is Sunday for me today, yesterday for you, and I am just hanging here at the house filming Monday's makeup tutorial. And today we are trying the Beauty Glazed Color Board palette. This was recommended to me by Miss Carrie here on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much, my darling, for subscribing to me and recommending this palette. Now, while reading reviews, I heard lots of different things, and we're going to try it out today and see what we can come up with. Now, let's go ahead and just get on into it because I am excited. So I have already done my skin makeup, so everything but my eyeshadow, my lips, my lashes. Every product used on my face before filming and now will be linked down below in the description box. Also, my social media is always in the description box, so be sure to read the description box. There's some good stuff down there. But anyways, back to the palette. So reading reviews, they're mixed. There are, I would say, 80% people that say nay and 20% people that say yay. So let's get into it. So upon opening the palette, it flips open on the side like this. And when you first open it, you have the green board. Now I have swatched these shadows, some of them anyways, and the glitters look really nice. The shimmer shades are and a lot of the mattes are a little chalky, but we're not really going to know until we actually do something. So that's what we're doing today. So first you have the green board. Next we have the orangey, more neutral board. Then we have the green board. And if you notice, we've got like a yellow in every single board so far. But they are different like shades of yellow. But this is the blue board. And then last but not least, this is the glitter that I swatched. The glitter looks great, but this is the pinky purple board. So we are going to make a look with this today, create a look with this today. I am super duper excited. So if you are interested to see how the Beauty Glazed Color Board palette works, then keep on watching. So first, just for a transition shade, I'm gonna go to the blue board. And I'm going to use this brown shade right here, taupey brown shade. So for that, I am going to use this Morphe blending brush here. This is my favorite blending brush to put my transition shades in. So let's see. So this shade does not look bad at all. Not patchy, looking all right. So far, so good. And I did notice that a lot of people were saying, the ones that were saying that this wasn't like a good palette and they didn't like it. I don't know what type of brushes they were using, but I always say whenever you're trying out a palette, be sure that you're using products that you already know works well with everything else that you use. If you go and you use a new product, even if that is like a concealer or eyeshadow primer or anything, brushes included, that can mess with the way the rest of the look goes. So I did just want to throw that tip in there if you have tried this palette and not had luck. But we've just used a transition shade, so we don't even know if this is going to be Morgan Shea approved yet. So next we're going to go to the orange board. And we are going to use this shade right here. This is like a really pretty brown orange tone. And to blend that out, I'm going to be using this Morphe tapered blending brush right here. Very nice. I'm into it. Pretty. I like it. So far. So far, these mats are very, very pretty. Now, like I said, upon swatching them, they were chalky, chalky, chalky. So, we're changing it up here. Next, just to deepen up that outer corner a little bit more, I'm on to the purple board, and I'm gonna be using this deep brown right here. Also, because of how good this palette is going so far, if you would like to see a video using some more colorful shades, please let me know. Very pretty. Very, very pretty. Very much into it. I am loving it. And so now I want to try a glitter. So we're going to go to the green board, and we are going to use this beautiful gold shade right here. So I am just going to use this MSQ. This is a flat synthetic brush, and I'm going to take my NYX glitter primer. Now I'm just going straight on in to the gold. I will let you know that I did just have to dig down in a little bit to get the actual glitter. So I don't know if there's like a film over the top or what, but once we got down in there though, this is some damn good glitter. I mean, wow. Absolutely stunning. Stunning. Shooketh. Like absolutely freaking shooketh. Oh, how absolutely beautiful is that glitter? And we still have plenty left. Wow, I am obsessed. So now what I want to do is I'm going to dip back in that really deep brown shade that we used to deepen up the outer corner. I am going to use the same exact Morphe brush. Absolutely stunning. Also have been like obsessed with this eyeliner right here. This is by Real Her, the I Am Amazing pencil liner. I have been obsessed with it. I just used it underneath my lower lash line and blended it out with that deeper purple shade. Absolutely been obsessed. Also, I used Dulce K by Kylie Cosmetics on my lips, and I'm just going over it with Myth by MAC. My all-time favorite combos ever. So now I'm just going to take a little bit of glitter primer by NYX. I'm just going to take it on the very tip of this brush and put it right here on the lower lash line, so like the inner, this very inner part. And then I'm going to take that gold glitter on the tip of the brush and pack that right over that glitter primer. So pretty. Absolutely love this palette. I think it's great, and it is definitely Morgan Shea approved. For our wing, we will be using the Physicians Formula Waterproof Eyeliner. It is a felt tip, and I have been obsessed with this here lately. So beautiful. Then I'm going to take the Laura Lee Los Angeles Lit Kit by Laura Lee, and I'm going to take the shade Diamonds right here, and I'm going to put it on the inner corner and brow bone. I'm just going to take that original blending brush just to make sure that we don't have any harsh edges, harsh lines going on up there. I'm going to take the Essence Lash Princess waterproof mascara and put our mascara on. Then I will be taking the DY Silk 006 lashes and putting them on. I will also be going in with the Duo Lash Glue. This is one of the lash glues with a wand, and I literally brush it right on my eye so that I can get as close as I can to my lash line. We're going to use our Morphe Mattifying Setting Mist, my favorite setting spray, and set it. My loves, this is the final look. I'm really into that palette, the Glazed Beauty Colorboard palette. I think it's absolutely stunning, and I would recommend. Of course, everything used in this video, even if it wasn't used in the video and the makeup that was done before the video started, and the makeup that I did kind of off the camera, all that stuff is linked down below, always. Social media, link down below. So I'm going to say yay to the Colorboard palette. I think it's highly recommended. I highly recommend it. And also, it is Morgan Shea Beauty Yang approved. So yeah, you guys, I love you all so very much. Do not forget to comment the secret emoji down below for extra entries into my 100 subscriber giveaway. And until next time, bye. Okay guys, it is later in the evening. I'm about to take everything off. We have just spent a day Sunday just laying and relaxing. I ran out for a little bit just to get us, literally to get us Pizza Hut, and that was it. And I think that this held up really, really good. The first thing that I really noticed, like odd, that happened was with the glitter. So I don't know if you're going to be able to tell on camera. Yeah, you can. The glitter started to separate. So it, and I used a glitter glue. So if you were to just like put this glitter on, I think you may have a catastrophe on your hands. As far as the mattes, they look absolutely stunning. The glitter is still fine, and honestly, I couldn't even really tell. Chris did. Chris was the one who said, hey, what's wrong with your glitter? It's like creasy. And I was like, do what? And I went and looked at myself and I was like, oh, it's creased. That could just be because I have had it on for around 9 hours or so. So it could just be because of that. I don't know. But for me, I'm still going to say yay to the palette. I think that it is a good palette. I think that it is worth $16. As of today, it is $16. I hope after I've edited this that it's still $16. I'll have it on the screen right now, what it costs anyways. But yeah, you guys, I just thought I would check in with you all before I take my face off and go to bed. Again, I love you guys so much. Bye.